Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna recreate Instagram inspired hairstyles which I really love to do because this quarantine I was scrolling through Instagram so much and I find really cute and beautiful hairstyles. Those are very easy to do but yet looks very beautiful. So I thought why not I will share with you guys. So yeah, let's just get started with this video. So number first hairstyle, I'm gonna recreate this hairstyle by Sarah. She made so beautiful hairstyles and I really like this one personally. It is sort of like hairband look. So first I'm gonna do a middle parting and I will grab chunk of hair from one side and I'm gonna start twisting it backwards like this. This hairstyle is perfect for short, medium, long hair and you can just wear it anywhere in picnic, birthday parties or anywhere. This looks so adorable and cute and you can just wear it like a hairband with your own hair. So I really find it very interesting. And then I will take like my hairband and pin it under my hair to hide the pin like this. And pin it nicely so that your hairband will not lose later. And just I'm pulling my hair little bit so that it will look good from front of my face. And now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. I'm taking a chunk of my hair from other side and I'm doing the same thing, twist it backwards like this. And now I will pull it little bit to give it a hairband shape like this. And I will just put it before the previous hairband like this and pin it nicely under my hair to hide the pins. And now I will just pin it nicely so that it will not lose later from top of my head also. And I will just pin my other head also that are in front of my face. And yeah, it looks so adorable, cute. You can wear it anywhere, birthday parties, picnic or anywhere. I really find this hairstyle so cute and adorable. So I hope you also like this one. Just give it a try and you can easily do this with your own hair. So now hairstyle number 2, I'm gonna recreate this hairstyle. I want to recreate this hairstyle because I personally like this one so much and this is my favorite hairstyle in this whole video. So I'm gonna grabbing a chunk of my hair from front of my face and pin it first and then I'm gonna make Dutch braid in rest of my hair like this. If you don't know how to do Dutch braid, then check out my Dutch braid tutorial from my description or from I button. I will link it there. When you finished your Dutch braid, now pull your Dutch braid to make it fuller and thicker. This is very important step in this hairstyle. You have to pull nicely. You have to make your Dutch braid looks very bigger and thicker. And now I will do regular braid in my front section that I have left before. You have to make a regular braid in front section like this all the way to the down. Now once you finish this braiding, now take this small braid above the Dutch braid like this and then tie both the braids with a hair elastic that matches your hair color like this and make sure you tie it very tightly. And now I am taking out some flakes to look good from front of my face and this hairstyle is done. This looks so beautiful. You can wear this hairstyle in college, school or birthday parties. Now let's move on to hairstyle number 3. I will recreate this hairstyle by Sarah again and I feel this hairstyle is very unique and it is perfect for medium to long hair. It looks so beautiful. So I will start it off with the side parting and I will make a Dutch braid all the way to my ears like this. And then I will do a normal braid without adding any hairs to my braid. If you really don't know how to make a Dutch braid, then please check out my description. I will link it there, a full tutorial to how to make a Dutch braid. And then pull your braid to make it look thicker and braid all the way down and then pull it like this. Now I will place my braid like this on my head and then pin it so that it will not lose later. You have to make sure that you pin it nicely. And then hides the end under the braid. It is little difficult only for long hair but very easy for short or medium hair. And then make a loop with rest of your hair like this, and then wrap rest of your hair around the elastic to hide it and make it looks elegant like this, and pin it nicely, and take out some strands from front of your face and then pull your hair a little bit, and it's done. You can do this hairstyle for parties or wedding. This looks so good and beautiful, and this is very unique hairstyle. I have never seen this hairstyle before. This is my first time doing this hairstyle. Now hairstyle number 4, and this is my last hairstyle. Here I'm going to recreate this hairstyle. It is braided ponytail which looks so gorgeous, and you can do this hairstyle anytime with less effort. So let's see how to create this gorgeous hairstyle. First I'm going to do a side parting, and I will again make a Dutch braid. I know I am making Dutch braid so much in this video, but guys, Dutch braid is very easy to do and at the same time looks so beautiful, and it makes your whole look looks very good and beautiful. Now grab rest of your hair and make a ponytail, and then add that braid to this ponytail like this, and tie it with an hair elastic tightly so that it will not lose later, and use hair elastic that matches your hair color. It will be very convenient to you. And then pull your hair little bit to make a voluminous look to your hairstyle, and pull your braid also to make it looks thicker and messier. And I really find this step very effective, because it just makes your hairstyle look so different and beautiful. And then take out some strands from front of your face, and that's it. This hairstyle looks so beautiful, and I hope you enjoy this video. So don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.